Welcome to all. We are continuing, as I told, exercise questions 109, 110, 111, 112, 113. All these are channel questions. Channel, see, this is called channel. This also is channel. This is same channel, see, inverted. Some people call it trough type, or what is important is nothing. 3 rectangles will come in all the parts. So very easy, there is no difficulty. These are all solved earlier. Therefore, I will start now. Questions you see here, everywhere. See, what they want, I have moment of inertia about center of the axis. Same here, same here, same here. But this question, they want I about A, B and C, D. I already told you, when they want I about a given axis, you don't locate centroid. Okay, leave it. Start. 109. See, dividing into part I have done 1, 2, 3. I won't explain how this 150 came all. That is too late now. See, seeing the overall dimension, you decide the dimensions. Started raining there. Okay, now I noted down the answers here. Now start. See, this small dot means centroid of the components, as I told earlier. When I write calculation, if at all I write calculation, see, I write 1, 2, 3. I will maintain the same order. Okay, it started raining little more now. Sound is coming. But the exercise question, no problem. Okay, first see. Find x bar, find y bar. Wherever you want to find it. I entered the answer. 66.151, 113.849, 81.604, 118.396. This you have to calculate. This I cannot explain. Start. I about xx. I decided now. See, I have to calculate Ixx using calculator. Suppose my answer is wrong, then you will not be knowing whether you have done correct or not. Then I again apply corrections. And I usually, what you do is, when I give the answer, see, sometimes calculator problem will come. Operating problem. So I have to check second time. Then I decided, see, I had to stand in front of the figure and calculate without writing. That is no problem for me. But sometime suddenly calculator problem will come. Second time I have to check. Instead of that way, I decided, instead of calculating 2 times, struggling with the calculator, it is better to write expression, beneficial for you also. So that, see, x bar, y bar, you have to calculate. Okay, start. Ixx. No explanation, silent class. 140 into 20 cube by 12. I am maintaining the same order, plus 140 into 20 is the area, into 118 point red color, 118.396 minus 20 by 2 whole square. This is for 1. Ixx. Plus for second one, 16 into 150 cube by 12. 16 into 150 cube divided by 12, Ig, plus area, 16 into 150 is the area. See, I am not explaining anything. Exercise into 118.396 minus 20 minus 150 by 2 whole square. Y means you should think it. Plus 180 into 30 cube by 12. I feel this is more comfortable to me. So that is advantage for you also. 12. So that you can check all the values. Plus 180 into 30 into 81.604 minus 30 by 2 whole square. Yes, this will give you Ixx. Get the answer. Okay, I will start Iyy here. Space Iyy. I think space okay. 20 into 140 cube by 12. 20 into 140 cube by 12 Ig plus area. 20 into 140 is the area into, if I do from that side, 180, this is 140, see this gap is 40, if you want this gap 40, 113.849, 13.849 minus 40 minus 140 by 2 whole square. Y means you think, this all explained earlier. Okay. Plus second one, I about YY. 150 into 16 cube by 12. 150 into 16 cube by 12. IG, camera problem may be there, plus area. 150 into 16 is the area. I will check the camera, into 66.151 minus 16 by 2 whole square. This is for second component plus last component. 30 into 180 cube by 12. 180 cube by 12 plus 30 into 180 is the area into 113.849 minus 180 by 2 whole square. I think if I am giving direct answer, if I give direct answer here, it may take little more time because I will take with the calculator, calculate. Sometimes doubt comes whether I cubed properly or not. In some calculators, what happens is, if you take power 3, then you have to move, you have to press that cursor button. Otherwise, it will give wrong answer. And this way, if I write, you should be happy because now what you have to do, see now onwards, you write the expression without seeing the class. Once you finish, you compare these values, or you keep on writing simultaneously, play in the slow mode, say in 0.25 like that. I will be telling you write, then go through everything and check it so that you can get perfection in this one. 109 over, I will go there. If any problem with the camera is there, I will first focus back here, then I will again move the camera, not move, start second one. No problem, everything is okay. Exercise question 110, I forgot the last time. All the question I am putting EX. EX means exercise. See, dividing into parts are over. Now, this is symmetrical about horizontal axis. So directly, see, directly pass XX here. No calculation required, XX. If you want the total 190, each will be 95, 95. Direct answer. No calculation required. But this way, to locate YY, you require X bar. Find X bar. Okay, over. IXX. Now see correctly what I am doing. First of all, IXX. Start XX here. I am doing for 1 now. 110 into 16 cube by 12. 110 into 16 cube divided by 12 IG. Okay, I should not tell anything because exercise question. 110 into 16 is the area into 95 minus 16 by 2 whole square. This will give for this one identical here, multiply by 2 means 1 is over, 3 also over. Now pending is only this one, plus, okay, plus for second one. It is 12 into 158 cube, 12 into 158 cube divided by 12 plus 12 into 158 into it is 0 square. If someone got doubt why 0 square means, I will tell my class not useful for him. Okay, over. I about YY. (16 into 110 cube by 12). IG plus area. 16 into 110 is the area into, see here This is 110, this also 110. Remember, it is, these are equal into 72.154 minus 110 by 2 whole square. This is for 1. Multiply by 2 will take care of this also. Plus continue. IYY. 158 into 12 cube by 12. 158 into 12 cube divided by 12 Ig plus area. 158 into 12 is the area into 37.846 minus 12 by 2 whole square over. This will give I about YY. Calculate. Over. Question number 110 over 111 I will go for now. I will prepare it. See, every question I will prepare and explain. Not explain. Whatever I want to talk, I don't want to waste time. Exercise questions. A lot of questions are there. Question number 111, this question, see, 20, 25, 18, 175, 140. This is also 140. But even though both are same, 20 and 25, therefore symmetry is not there. But the next question, see here, 15, 15, both are equal. See this question, symmetry is not there. So XX and YY, both you have to locate. But next question, 112, see this question, symmetrical about XX, YY you have to locate. This question, symmetrical about YY, XX you have to locate. So I won't tell next time. This I will not tell. Directly I will write here answer. Okay, start. See, I located centroid. I won't waste time writing every class. This is centroid G. See, when I do YY, I may not write YY also. Okay. See, now when I do the calculation, my order is 1, 2, 3. Start. IXX. Now into 2 you cannot make. IXX. 120 into 122 cube by 12. See, you can make out. See, when I am writing, have you ever seen me start wondering, we want I about XX axis. First come to centroid. Imagine an axis passing to centroid parallel to XX. Have you ever seen me see, when I explain, I tell all those things. But when I write directly, not required for me. Plus 20 into 122. By see, once you get the practice and grip, you can also do like this without thinking structure engineering into 86.521 minus 122 by 2 whole square. See, exercise question. What I am giving is actually bonus for you. Plus second one. 25 into 122 cube by 12. 25 into 122 cube divided by 12 plus 25 into 122 is the area into, once again same, 86.521 minus 122 by 2 whole square. Second is over. Last one plus last one. 175 into 18 cube by 12. 18 cube by 12 plus 175 into 18 is the area into the 53.479. 53.479 minus 18 by 2 whole square. It should come naturally to the mind. Okay, IXX over. I'll start IYY here. Space, that's why I left a space here. IYY. Okay, start. 140 in 20 cube by 12. Plus area 140 into 20. See, suppose you go to an interview, you write like this. See how much they will feel impressed by you. They will see, I should not tell, the person who is interviewing may not have that speed. He will start looking at you. in wonder, as if you are a wonder. What is this person is not bothered about any confusion. Plus area into 92.089 minus 20 by 2. I am looking up and down only for the tensors whole square. First one over. Second one, I about yy. 122 and 25 cube by 12 plus 122 into 25 is the area into 82.911 minus 25 by 2 whole square. Whole square, close the bracket. I think visible. I'll check the camera once again. Here I write last one. I think okay. I have 18 into 175 cube by 12. See, by looking only you can make out which is to be cubed, not by hearting. Plus 18 into 175 is the area into here 92.089 minus 175 by 2 whole square. Calculate Iyy over. I already told you, see I am dividing like this, how 110 came your problem. I already told you, this question, you need not locate yy, directly midpoint. See, again and again I told, this question, when symmetry is there, if symmetry is not there, no use then. See, this one you have to find both x bar, y bar. Here also you have to find both x bar, y bar. Here, see, symmetry is xx, yy located here. Symmetry is yy, xx located, see, xx located. Okay, now ixx. I write very fast. I am first doing the order 1. 15 into 110 cube divided by 12 Ig plus 15 into 110 is the area into 77.642 red color 642 minus 110 by 2 whole square. Then this is for this one identical here, multiply by 2 plus for this one 200 into 10 cube by 12 plus area 200 into 10 is 77. Okay, I can make out 77 is there. 77 it is. Okay, 200 into 10 into bracket 42.358 minus 10 by 2 whole square. See, this way fluently I can write solution for each and every problem in engineering mechanics, strength of materials, structure analysis, finite element, matrix method, or steel, RCC, or pre-stress concrete, or other subject. I am not trying to boost because I got confidence. I don't have to think 1 second also how to do, what is this, nothing. But I am telling you because it is not my own property, how I got it. Not by hurting or practicing. There is no practice. It was with me long, more than 30, 40 years earlier only I got that grip. Because when I studied first time or second, at that time, I understood each and everything. Okay, leave it. Iyy. Sound. In the class, if I tell student, we start telling, okay, sir, you do, sir, but we can't do it. Iyy. Start 1. 110 into 15 cube by 12. Ig plus area. 110 into 15 is the area into 100. Red color problem. 100 minus 15 by 2 whole square into 2. Lastly, this one plus 10 into 200 cube by 12 plus area. See, When I put 10 into 200 cube by 12, what comes to my mind is bending about YY. Then, for this bending, this is the structural depth. When you write moment of inertia, see, the depth is 200 then. Depth is to be cubed. It is not by hearting side parallel. I never say, did you see me murmuring about YY? Side parallel is 10, perpendicular is 200, nothing. 10 into 200 is the area into how much square? 0 square over. Question number 112. Now what I will do is, I will go to question number 113. See, why I am not writing anything, because there is a reason here. I will tell you the reason. As I solve, slowly I will tell the reason, but actually need not tell it. See, if this question is given for you to solve, once you get the grip, you should do like this. See. Find IAB and ICD. Oh, they do not want moment of inertia about centroidal axis. They want about AB and CD. Therefore, what you do? Why you want to locate centroid? Nothing. Divide into parts. See, I will divide like this way. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 20 by, this is see, 140 total. 14 lesser. 140 minus 14 is how much? 140 minus 14 is 126. A rectangle here of 126 by 20. Okay. I will write dimension later. Okay. This is how much is 140. This is 20. Okay. 20. 20 by what 140? 20 by how much I told? 126. Because up to here, see, I am dividing like this. 140 is full. Then above that a rectangle this way of thickness 14. This is 20. Thickness 14 and length full 160. Length full 160. Okay. 126. Okay. Up to here. So I write here now, this full length is how much? 160. Thickness 14 over here. Okay. Then below here, one more rectangle. This total is 110. Subtract 14. 110 minus 14 is 96. So somewhere here. See. This way, it won't come up to here. Earlier it will stop. Thickness how much? Thickness is 18. See, little thicker. This is 14, this is 20, this is 18. Okay. No problem. Thickness 18. I will write here. Thickness 18. This depth of the rectangle I will write how much? 110. This thickness is known there. And also I will write this total is how much? 140. Here space problem is there. I will write this is 110. No, not 110. How much it is? 110 minus 14. No, it's not 110. Sorry. See, 110 minus 14 by mistake. See, 96. This is 96. Total is 140. How much? 140. 110. Total is 110. Okay. I hope space problem is there. 96. I should not go beyond that line. Okay. Now okay. I think 96. Total is 110. Okay, done. Now, I will take this as part 1, this as part 2, this as part 3. Okay, now, centroid. They want I about AB. See, AB axis is here. This is AB, sufficient. Now, in case you want this distance from AB up to here, if you want it by chance, it will be 120. This total is, this is 140. This is 110. From 140 subtract 110, it will be 30. You can make out easily 30. Or 126 minus 96, 30. Okay, now one more axis they want is here. See, they also want I about which one? CD. Oh, falling down. they want I about CD. Okay, I'll mark CD now. CD axis. Yabba. See, sometimes this cap, what happens is, goes very tight. To remove, you can't pull this way. You have to apply a torque. When you apply a torque, the shearing stress between the contact surfaces, friction, that will resist it. Sometimes friction is too high, so it won't come. I have to put effort. See, some will tell this person has nothing to do. In the offline class, they will tell, sir, no, sir, we don't want those things. No, we want it, sir, but we can't do think all those things like that. Okay. Now they want directly IAB, ICD. So no confusion. You want I about AB. I write in front of you. See? This pen is not required. You go. You go there. The green one is not required now. Okay. IAB. From 1. I about AB required. 20 into 126 cube by 12. 20 into 126 cube divided by 12 Ig plus area. 20 into 126 is the area into 126 by 2. That's all. By 2 whole square. This is for 1 plus for 2. So 160 into 14 cube by 12. 12 Ig plus area. 160 into 14 is the area into 126 plus half of 14. Either 126 plus half of 14 whole square or 140 minus 14 by 2 square, whatever you want. Okay, plus the last one, 18 into 96 cube by 12. 96 cube divided by 12 Ig plus 18 into 96 is the area into here 30 plus another 96 by 2 whole square over. Or if you do not want the 30, it is total 140 minus 14 minus 96 by 2. That also will do. Okay, run it. Now, I about, calculate, answer you calculate. I about CD. I about CD. Start here. CD you want. Start from here. 140 into 20 cube by 12. 140. CD. 140 into 20 cube. I am telling you because if my writing is not clear, you can hear the voice. Plus 140 into 20 is the area into here to here. 160 minus 20 by 2. 160 minus 20 by 2 whole square. That is for the first one. Second one, wait a second here. 14 into 160 cube by 12. Plus 14 into 160 is the area into 160 by 2 whole square. Whole square. That also over. Now the last one, I think space is okay. I can use this one. Plus, I just check once. Oh, more than sufficient. I can complete. Plus, the last one, this one. I about which one? CD you want. 96 into 18 cube by 12. 96 into 18 cube by 12 plus 96 into 18 is the area into, that is the, what is there? 18 by 2 whole square. Whole square. That's all. Calculate the answer. See, one small thing, I announced next class once again. When this diagram values are transparent here, by chance if there is any wrong values are there, usually I'll be careful. By chance some calculation is wrong. See, when I found this 126, what I done? See, total not here. Okay, see, total 140. This thickness is 14, so 140 minus 14. By chance there is a mistake is there. Do one thing. You enter this value only. You also make that mistake for this question. In by chance I do instead of 126 by some other number, you are also right because with respect to that value you are right. Or you correct this number and wherever 126 is there, change it to corrected value. Don't make an issue. Or in the comment section, write clearly at what time. I will give clarification. Okay. So today 5 questions are over. Now this angle type and rectangle, 3 rectangle, that is channel type over. Now next I'll go for I sections. Next I'll do one thing. One zigzag section I'll give you. See, one zigzag, like one question sufficient. Zigzag, 1 or 2. Zigzag. One this way and one this way. In one of them I will ask you centroidal axis. Other one I will ask you about a given axis. Then I will go for I sections. Okay. We'll meet next time. Thank you.